The home is stick-built. It's no modular or double wide. And it's got more than just spruce and fir, maybe a little hardwood in the construction. No, walnut, ash, cherry, cedar. You got a lot of wood that went into this stick-built, hand-built, slowly home. There are apple trees, almost 3 acres of ground. You're in the country for privacy. The country home, a gambrel, a Dutch colonial, is set off the road too. Everybody wants privacy, right? Unless you're running a business from your home. This is an oak tree. You don't see a lot of those in northern Maine. You have lilacs, lots of different vegetables, flowers, bushes, all established. It's at 479 Drews Mills Road. Drews Lake is right over that hill. It's very easy to blow by the driveway. You don't see the house from out on the road. This is your street scene. There's 360 feet of road frontage. The home has a sunroom, an excellent solarium to start your seedlings for the garden. Through the French doors, we hit the dining area that has wood floors. Laundry's on this first floor level. This is the walnut that was put into the cabinetry. Then you have cedar. You also have a Amish approved wood cook stove. The kitchen floors need to be refinished. There's exterior paint. Maybe you want to change the color. But the home location, the price, the construction, that's what it's all about. Here's that handiwork that took a few more than a couple hours to perform. This is Ricky Bobby. We're probably interfering with nap time. There's a first floor bedroom if you need it. 2 bedrooms and a full bath on the second level. Check out the stairway and the handiwork. The bathroom separates the 2 bedrooms. There's a large hall with storage upstairs. Double closets in this larger front bedroom. Here's the door to the bathroom. Double windows on this end, the southern exposure, another window on the west, a pair of them. The other bedroom has a closet and a pair of windows for ventilation, for a breeze, for light. That's the home on nearly 3 acres of land in the country near Drews Lake. It's in Linneus, Maine, a bedroom community for Holton. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thanks an awful lot for watching and listening to the Maine Real Estate Channel. The home sits on a full basement, has an outside entrance and inside entrance. There's a monitor heater, there's electric heat, there's wood heat.